The coughing cloud mystery. Timo was a cheerful boy who loved playing with his teddy bear, Teddy. One sunny morning, they were building the very biggest block tower ever. Achoo! Suddenly, a tickle wiggled in Timo's nose. He let out a giant sneeze, uncovered and loud. Before he knew it, 3 tiny, mischievous puffs zipped out. They looked like fuzzy green clouds, giggling as they floated away. "Oh no," whispered Timo. "The cough clouds." The mischievous cough clouds flew straight toward Teddy. They started dancing around his fuzzy nose, trying to make him sneeze too. "Stop it, you little ticklers," cried Timo. Whoosh! A giant clean bubble suddenly landed, trapping the naughty clouds. A voice boomed. "Fear not, citizen. The Bubble Brigade is here." It was Captain Suds. He wore a shiny, sudsy helmet and commanded the amazing Bubble Brigade. They were experts at stopping sneezes from spreading. "Timo," said Captain Suds, "those cough clouds are sneaky germs. To trap them, you must learn to sneeze smart. Step 1, grab a tissue quick as a flash. Step 2, cover your nose and mouth when you sneeze, just like you're giving the tissue a secret hug," Timo practiced, making a soft little mew sound. Step 3, bin the tissue right away. And step 4, wash those hands, scrubbing all the germy corners. The trapped cough clouds shrunk down to tiny dots in the bubble. Timo gave Captain Suds a big thumbs up. Tissue, bin, wash hands, sneeze smart. Now he knew the secret to keeping everyone safe and sound from the sneaky cough cloud mystery.